Hey there, want to learn how to generate subtitles automatically for free? Great. Let's dive into a step-by-step tutorial using Whisper AI from OpenAI. We'll need a free tool called Subtitle Edit. Search Subtitle Edit on Google, visit Nixay.de, and click Download the latest version of Subtitle Edit. Install the software and run it. If asked to install FFmpeg or other tools, just allow it. Now, in the video menu, click Audio to Text, Whisper. What is Whisper, you ask? It's an automatic speech recognition system from OpenAI. It understands and transcribes multiple languages and even translates them into English. The best part? It's free and open source. Choose the faster Whisper engine and your subtitle language. Then select a model for the engine. Start with the base model for most videos. For complex speech, try the small or medium models, but they take longer to process. Add your video and click Generate. After processing, you'll have a subtitle file with the same name as your video. Just review the subtitles, make any edits using the Subtitle Edit tool, and you're all set. I hope this guide was helpful. If you found it useful, please like the video and feel free to ask questions in the comments. Happy subtitling!